Hello and welcome. This is Explain That, and this is how to cancel your YouTube Music subscription. So just open up your browser, then go to YouTubemusic.com. In here, you need to be logged in to your specific account that's subscribed to the premium one. So just tap on your profile icon at the top right, then go to paid membership section. You just tap on the drop down menu from the managed membership. And as you can see, we have a free trial here as well. This is considered as a premium one. You just gotta tap on the cancel button, and you have two options, either to cancel the YouTube premium itself. You just tap on it and it will redirect you to cancellation. Then just tap on the yes cancel and it will automatically cancel it for you. After that, you have also the next option in which you can pause the membership itself and you can find the duration. That should be it.